Hello, welcome to Autocad Fundamental. I'm Bayo Kilanko, and I'll be your instructor through the phase of this course. Autocad is a CAD software that is used globally in the engineering, construction, and design industries for drafting and modeling. It is built to assist in creating, modifying, optimizing, and sharing accurate information on drawing. This is an AutoCAD 2D course that will introduce you to some drawing fixtures, and likewise there is a project that will aid the learning process during this course, and the following would be covered during this course. We will be looking at our interface, getting started with the AutoCAD interface too, and also some drawing tools, the basic drawing tools that we have in AutoCAD, some basic modification tools that will aid our drawing. Then the project will be developing a project, have a project to work with in AutoCAD. Likewise, have to dimension our work, have to dimension our drawing, and also looking at leader in cases where dimension cannot work in some drawing, then leader come in place. We also look at how we can arch our work, our projects, and our drawings. Then we'll look at layer management as well, on how to recognize various aspects of our work. Then look at text, also look at text, how we can bring in text into our drawing. Then as well, table, and how to have a table for bill of quantity on our drawing, or whenever we are looking at some assembly drawing where we need to have various parts of the drawing. We also look at blocks. Block will enable us to be able to keep some drawing in library, so we can always use them over and over again. Then we'll also be looking at external reference, which is referencing your work, bringing in another file or the AutoCAD file into the current drawing. And we also look at the parametric constraints, the various aspects of parametric constraint to give us a good and balanced drawing. And we'll be drafting our project as well. So the project we'll be working on is an isometric project. Then after the isometric part, we look at the orthographic part that communicates the top, side, and right view of the drawing, which could be the first angle and the third angle projection. Then lastly, we'll be plotting our work. We'll look at how we can plot it, then present it to whosoever will be giving it to, and also printing out the work. It is my pleasure and great privilege to walk you through this journey of learning AutoCAD 2D. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.